The MIGVAN 180A 5-in-1 welder is a versatile tool that combines multiple welding processes in one compact machine, making it ideal for both beginners and seasoned professionals. With its dual voltage capability, this welder can seamlessly switch between 110 volts and 220 volts, providing flexibility for various welding tasks. The smart synergic system with IGBT technology automatically adjusts voltage and wire speed, ensuring smooth and precise welding results without the need for constant manual adjustments. Safety is a top priority with the MIGVAN 180A, as it features an all-round safety shield that protects against overload, overvoltage, overcurrent, and overheating. The high-definition LED screen offers clear visibility of all settings and modes, even in challenging lighting conditions, enhancing user experience significantly. Engineered with premium components and a durable design, this welder promises long-lasting performance and reliability for various welding applications.